We're a team from Zagreb School of Economics and Management from Croatia, and today we'll discuss solutions for gender-based violence and sexism, which is an often recurring issue affecting many today. And we believe we can foster a society that truly values fairness and equality. And now I will pass down the word to my colleague. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you for making a warm introduction. So mostly we'll concentrate today on the topic of online cyberbullying, online sexism, and gender-based violence that is being spread over social media and websites. And matter of fact, we offer two durations, two time zones as for our solution. So the first one being the short run solution up to 4 years of time, and the second one being long run solution, long term meaning 4 years and onwards. And we'll be mostly concentrating about artificial intelligence implementations to recognize the gender-based violence on the web. And there are actually two ways how we will implement AI. The first one is being the chatbot, where the people that were affected by sexism and gender-based violence will be able to speak freely, to share the experience, to ask for some emotional help. And the second one being their kind of peer reviewing, but with the help of AI, so their AI reviewing of posts regarding the sexism and gender-based violence. But I know you may also have the question, why do we really need it? Since we also have psychologists, we have people, and the answer is that in-person interviews actually lack confidentiality and trust. Another thing we have to account for are hallucinations when we're speaking about AI. Hallucination is a phenomenon which describes that AI makes some judgments that cannot be clearly made from the training base, from the training data. And we will solve this problem with the help of human-in-the-loop system, which actually means that their the human expert, will ensure that complex cases are solved accurately as they should be. Another thing we will want to implement is their natural language processing, where AI will be used to identify patterns and anomalies that indicate misinformation. We have also image and video recognition, where AI will be able to recognize such things as deepfakes or altered images. It already exists. For example, Meta implements such a thing. Contextual understanding, so AI will be able to evaluate the context surrounding a certain claim, considering the factors like recent events or trends. And that is it for their short-run solution.
Okay, following our discussion on short-term or solutions and measures, we must turn on our focus to long-term solutions, of course, and NATO and its help would be crucial for it. So firstly, that includes launching awareness campaigns to reduce sexism and gender-based violence online, and also embedding disinformation awareness in school programs, so in education systems. We believe that that would be the first step even before implementing AI, because it would teach kids from young age what is good or what is not good, or some standards. Additionally, we would prioritize digital literacy in education by developing transparent AI tools to detect disinformation, as my colleague said, for the short term. We would also extend it for the long term, and together with all these measures, we can create a much safer and much more informed digital landscape. And now I'm giving a word to my colleague for the last part.
Okay, thank you, Laura. So there is a question about financing. So this is a huge and really important project. So this project will cost a bit more with more money than regular AI. So when it comes to the funding, the NATO Innovative Fund has 1 billion fund in emerging technologies. This AI model is part of the approved funding about the AI technologies. So this really should be the collective effort of the whole NATO to actually develop some technology like this to govern the disinformation on the internet. And we think we estimated that we should start from the intermediate model that is between 5 and 15 million, which had sentiment analysis based checking and many more. But then we should upgrade it definitely to advanced model from $30,000 to $100,000, which has deepfake detection and advanced MPL. Also, we should partner with Meta and Amazon, actually outsource their programs to actually help us reduce costs with various tools. Thank you. Artie.
Absolutely. And so this issue really has really been recurring, and we think that now it's the high time we solve it once and for all. And the best way how we can solve it is basically to work together. And with the joint efforts of NATO members, we can stop the disinformation spreading against women and gender-based violence overall in every meaning of this word. Thank you. Thank you for being here with us today.